In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Slack for free on PC or laptop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the official Slack desktop app installed and ready to use, so you can stay on top of your messages and channels without needing to keep a browser tab open all the time. Let's start from your web browser on your computer. Open any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, click to place your cursor there, and then type Slack download and press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results page. On the results page, look for the official Slack website. You're aiming for the result that mentions downloading the Slack desktop and mobile app for Windows. It should clearly say something like, download Slack desktop and mobile app for Windows, and the link will be from slack.com. It's important to choose the official site so you're getting the genuine app with no extra software bundled in. Click that result to go to Slack's download page. Once the page loads, you'll see options to download Slack for different platforms. Since we're installing it on a PC or laptop running Windows, look for the section that mentions Windows specifically. You should see a prominent button labeled Download, 64-bit. Most modern Windows computers are 64-bit, so this option will be correct for the vast majority of people. If you're on an older system and aren't sure, you can quickly check your system type in your Windows settings, but in most cases, you can safely go ahead with the 64-bit download. Click on the Download 64-bit button. Your browser will now start downloading the Slack installer file. You can usually see the download's progress at the bottom of your browser window or in the Downloads section. Wait for the download to complete. This should only take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to start the installation process. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to install Slack on your computer. After it's installed, you'll be able to open Slack from your desktop or Start menu, sign into your workspace, and start using Slack directly from the app.